Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. Hope you all are well and study well. So students, from today we start series of few string programs. Like in my previous videos, we already covered string concept, introduction of string, slicing of string, string functions. We discussed all the things in my previous videos. If you want to check that video, you can check the description of this video. You will get all the links of my previous videos, or you directly visit my channel and watch any video related to previous concept. So, today we learn the first program, how we can find out or how we can count number of characters in a given string. So, students, let's start with the basic program. First of all, my program is count the character, right? Okay. So, how we can count? So, first thing that we need, that is a string. Okay. So first I input my string. So my variable name is string, and then I use the input function. Okay. Now this is my entire string that I store in a string variable. Now next I input the character. Okay. That I just want to count. Okay. Specific character that I just want to count. So in the variable C, I'll just input the character. Okay. Now, whenever we work with the count part, whenever, please keep this point in your mind. Whenever we just want to count something, so we need one variable that we initialize with the value 0. Now we start a for loop, student, for I in string. Okay. If I equal to C, then what to do? I write count equal to count plus 1. Okay. Now here I just print with one small message, frequency of character C. C I just want as a variable. Okay. Then is, then comma, and then count. Okay. Now students, see how it works. So when I write for I in string, so string is my, suppose that I'll just input in a variable string, Python is there, right? So Python is there in my variable string here. So each character of the string traverse in a variable I, one by one. So first of all, P is there. Okay. Now, first when I input my string, now in variable C, I input O. Okay. So now in I, P is there. So if I equal to C, that means P equal to O? No, that condition is false. So this line will not execute in that case. Again, we back to the for loop. Now Y is there. Y also is not equal with O. Then T is there. Similarly, H is there. Now O is there in I. So I equal to C? Yes. So count equal to count plus 1. Value of count is 0. So now value of count is 1. Okay. Like that, this for loop executed till the length of my string. That means in that case, till n it executed. After that, we exit from the for loop and this statement executed and print frequency of character O is 1. Okay. Similarly, in every case, the output is different. So in this way, we can count the frequency of any character using string, using for loop. Okay, student? So students, this is the way how we can write a simple program. Okay, now I run this program. So for running, first I save my program. Okay, so I'll just give some name. Okay, now I run my program with this, or you can use F5 also. So now this is asking for a string. Okay, so here I write hello, how are you? Okay, enter character to count. I just want to count the character O. So frequency of character O is 3. Okay, you can check 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's take one more example so I can run my program again, students. Okay, let's enter one string Python brains. Okay, I just want to count this underscore. Okay, so the frequency of this character is 1. You can count the space also. So this is the simple way how it works, students. I hope this concept is clear to you, students. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section or you can mail us also. If you like my video, do press the like button, share your views in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming video. Till then, keep watching, keep studying.